Today, we are going to discuss one of the most important legislations in Indian agriculture, the Seeds Act, 1966. Seeds are the foundation of crop production, and no matter how good the soil, fertilizers, irrigation, or crop management practices are, if the seed quality is poor, the crop yield will always be affected. Therefore, ensuring the availability of quality seeds to farmers is essential for increasing agricultural productivity, ensuring food security, and improving farmers' income. In this presentation, we will understand why the Seeds Act was introduced, its objectives, important provisions, seed certification, seed testing, labeling requirements, the role of seed inspectors, benefits to farmers, and recent developments in the seed sector. Let's begin by understanding why quality seed is so important. Seed is considered the most basic and essential input in agriculture because it carries the genetic potential of a crop. Good quality seeds have high germination, good genetic purity, better physical purity, high vigor, and freedom from seed-borne diseases. Studies have shown that simply using quality seeds can increase crop productivity by 15 to 25% without any additional investment. Therefore, ensuring seed quality is one of the easiest and most economical ways to improve agricultural production. Before 1966, there was no comprehensive law in India to regulate seed quality. Farmers often purchased seeds that were adulterated, mislabeled, or of poor quality, resulting in crop failures and financial losses. To overcome these problems, the Government of India enacted the Seeds Act in 1966, followed by the Seeds Rules in 1968 and the Seeds Control Order in 1983. These regulations established standards for seed quality, testing, certification, labeling, and marketing to protect farmers and promote the use of quality seeds. The primary objectives of the Seeds Act are to regulate the quality of seeds sold in the market, ensure truthful labeling, establish minimum standards for germination and purity, encourage the production and distribution of certified seeds, prevent the sale of misbranded and substandard seeds, and ultimately protect the interests of farmers while improving agricultural productivity. The Act mainly applies to notified varieties of agricultural and horticultural crops. A notified variety is one that has been officially recognized by the Government of India for regulation under the Act. Only these notified varieties are subject to quality control measures, certification, and labeling requirements. Before moving further, let us understand some important terminology. A seed is any plant material used for sowing and crop production. A variety is a group of plants with distinct and stable characteristics. A notified variety is one officially declared by the government under the Seeds Act. Certified seed is seed that has been produced under an approved certification program and meets prescribed quality standards. Truthfully labeled seed is not certified by a certification agency but must honestly declare its quality parameters on the label. Now let us understand the different classes of seeds. The first is nucleus seed, which is the original seed maintained by the breeder and possesses 100% genetic purity. From nucleus seed, breeder seed is produced under the direct supervision of the plant breeder. This breeder seed is then multiplied into foundation seed, which maintains the genetic identity and purity of the variety. Finally, foundation seed is used to produce certified seed, which is supplied to farmers for commercial cultivation. Besides these, there is also truthfully labeled seed, where the producer is responsible for maintaining quality standards without formal certification. The seed production chain follows a systematic process beginning with nucleus seed, followed by breeder seed, foundation seed, certified seed, and finally distribution to farmers. At every stage, strict quality control measures are followed to maintain varietal purity and seed quality. One of the most important components of the Seeds Act is seed certification. Seed certification is a quality assurance system designed to maintain the genetic identity and purity of varieties. During the certification process, seed production fields are inspected several times throughout the crop season. Isolation distances are maintained to avoid contamination. Off-type plants are removed through roguing. After harvest, seed samples are collected and tested in laboratories. Only those seed lots that meet all prescribed standards receive certification tags and are released for sale. Seed certification agencies play an important role in this process. They inspect seed production fields, verify compliance with standards, supervise processing, monitor storage, collect seed samples, evaluate laboratory reports, and issue certification tags. Their objective is to ensure that farmers receive genuine and high-quality certified seeds. Another important institution under the Seeds Act is the Seed Testing Laboratory. Seed testing laboratories scientifically evaluate seed quality by conducting various tests. The germination test determines the percentage of seeds capable of producing normal seedlings. The physical purity test measures the proportion of pure seed, inert matter, wheat seeds, and other crop seeds. Moisture content testing helps determine safe storage conditions. Seed health testing identifies fungal, bacterial, or viral infections, while genetic purity testing confirms varietal identity whenever required. Quality standards are prescribed for different crops. These standards generally include minimum germination percentage, physical purity, maximum moisture content, maximum inert matter, and limits for wheat seeds and other crop seeds. Only seed lots meeting these standards are approved for marketing. Representative seed sampling is equally important because laboratory results depend entirely on the quality of the sample collected. Authorized seed inspectors collect representative samples using prescribed sampling methods to ensure accurate evaluation of the entire seed lot. Every seed packet sold under the Seeds Act must contain proper labeling information. This includes the crop name, variety name, class of seed, lot number, germination percentage, physical purity percentage, net weight, date of testing, producer's name and address, treatment details if any, and other prescribed information. Proper labeling enables farmers to make informed purchasing decisions and ensures transparency in the seed market. To enforce the provisions of the Act, the government appoints seed inspectors. Their duties include inspecting seed production fields, seed processing plants, warehouse, and retail outlets. They collect seed samples, verify records, investigate complaints, and ensure compliance with legal standards. Seed inspectors also possess specific legal powers. They can enter premises during reasonable hours, inspect seed stocks, collect representative samples, examine records and documents, seize suspicious seed lots, and initiate legal proceedings whenever violations of the Act are detected. Several offenses are recognized under the Seeds Act. These include selling misbranded seeds, making false quality claims, selling seed that does not meet prescribed standards, violating labeling requirements, selling uncertified seed as certified seed, and obstructing seed inspectors while performing their official duties. Violations may result in penalties including fines, imprisonment, or both depending upon the seriousness of the offense. These legal provisions discourage fraudulent practices and help maintain the integrity of the seed industry. The Seeds Act provides numerous benefits to farmers. Farmers receive quality-assured seeds with better germination, improved vigor, and higher yield potential. They are protected against fraud and misleading claims. Reliable seed quality reduces production risks, increases farm income, and contributes to national food security. Seed companies also play a significant role in implementing the Act. They are responsible for producing quality seed, maintaining genetic purity, processing and packaging seed properly, ensuring truthful labeling, maintaining records, and complying with all legal standards prescribed under the Seeds Act. Despite its success, several challenges remain. Counterfeit and spurious seeds continue to enter markets in some regions. Climate change affects seed production and quality. Limited farmer awareness, inadequate storage facilities, and uneven enforcement of regulations also reduce the effectiveness of the Act. Strengthening surveillance, increasing farmer awareness, and modernizing testing infrastructure remain important priorities. Recent developments in the seed sector include digital seed certification systems, QR code-based traceability, modernization of seed testing laboratories, improved molecular techniques for genetic purity testing, and ongoing discussions regarding new seed legislation to address emerging challenges in agriculture. Let us consider a simple case study. Suppose two farmers cultivate the same crop under similar conditions. One farmer uses certified seed while the other uses uncertified seed purchased from an unreliable source. The farmer using certified seed is likely to obtain better germination, uniform crop growth, higher yield, improved disease resistance, and greater economic returns. This simple example highlights the importance of using certified, quality-assured seeds. Before concluding, let us quickly revise. What is breeder seed? Why is seed germination testing important? Which organization is responsible for seed certification? What information must be present on a seed label? These are some of the key concepts you should remember from today's lecture. To conclude, the Seeds Act, 1966, is one of the most important agricultural legislations in India. It regulates seed quality through certification, testing, labeling, inspection, and enforcement. The Act protects farmers from substandard and misbranded seeds, promotes the use of quality planting material, increases agricultural productivity, and contributes significantly to national food security. As future agricultural professionals, researchers, and extension workers, it is our responsibility to promote the use of quality seeds and educate farmers about certified seeds so that Indian agriculture becomes more productive, sustainable, and resilient. Thank you for your attention.